If you are new here, then welcome to my channel. If you have been here before, then welcome back. Today I will be giving a brief overview of a terminal app called NC Spot. NC Spot is an extremely lightweight Spotify client alternative that runs in the terminal. It is written in Ncurses and Rust. Because it is so light on resources, it can be run on ancient dinosaur machines. I own a couple of these myself. Look at these numbers. There is only one main caveat to using this client, and that is you must have a Spotify premium account. This will not work otherwise. I will link the project GitHub page in the description below. It is always worth reading through the documentation. You will find all the keyboard shortcuts and any install notes for your particular platform. If you have snap installed and enabled on your distro, then installation is as easy as typing sudo snap install NC Spot. Mac users need not miss out either. If you have brew installed, then simply type brew install NC Spot. I already have this set up on my elementary machine and I installed it via snap. It works beautifully. Here I will show you setting it up on my Mac. To launch the app, simply type NC Spot in your terminal. On the first launch, you will be asked to input your Spotify credentials. You will only need to do this once. I am unable to play any audio from this because I will get a copyright strike, even if I play my own bloody band. But rest assured, this works great. For me, this perfectly marries my love of music with my love of cool terminal apps. That is it for this video. Shout out and mad respect to Alan Pope for writing such a cool app. I can enjoy music even on my old dinosaur machines. It is worth noting this is a useful tool for BSD users as well, as there is no Spotify client for BSD. Take care and I will see you next time.